In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Now select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options, like Camera. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Shop Amazon and select the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with the first one, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see, after that, Shop Amazon just gained access to my device's camera while I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. Now click on See All Contacts Permissions instead, and manage all of those permissions only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!